reduce the budget deficit.
These cuts are not smart. They'll hurt our economy and cost us jobs. And Congress can turn them off at any time, as soon as both sides are willing to compromise.
During this morning's GOP weekly address,
Are we honking at you?
Kathy McMorris Rodgers blamed President Obama for not taking the time to negotiate a replacement deal for smarter spending cuts. She said Republicans have already done their work and shown that there are other more reasonable options. In the last year, the House of Representatives has passed 2 proposals to replace the president's sequester with smarter spending cuts.